Before you build a pig pen, stop. Don't buy blocks. Don't dig the foundation. Don't even draw the plan yet. Because the truth is this: most pig pens fail, not because of money, not because of land, but because of simple mistakes made before building. And these mistakes can make your pigs grow slowly, cause bad smell complaints, increase disease and death, waste your money, and make you quit pig farming early. In this video, I will show you what you must know before you build a pig pen, especially if you are a beginner. If you skip this video, you may regret it later. So stay with me till the end, because one small decision can save or destroy your pig farm. Section 1. Why before building is more important than building. Many people rush. They say, "Let me just build something small. I will correct it later." That is the biggest lie in pig farming. Once you build wrongly, correcting it is expensive. Demolishing it wastes money, and pigs will already suffer. A pig pen is not just a house. It is a feeding system, a waste system, a health system, and a growth system. If you get it wrong at the start, everything becomes difficult. That is why this video is called Before You Build a Pig Pen. Section 2. First question. Why are you building the pig pen? Before size, before materials, before location. Ask yourself this simple question. Why am I building this pig pen? Is it for 2 to 5 pigs at home? For small business? 10 to 20 pigs? For serious commercial farming? Many beginners copy big farms from YouTube or Facebook. That is dangerous. If you only want 5 pigs and you build like someone keeping 100 pigs, you waste money. You overbuild. You struggle with maintenance. Your pig pen must match your goal, your budget, your experience. Never build bigger than your knowledge. Section 3. Land. Not all land is good for pigs. This is where many people fail quietly. They have land, yes, but the land is wrong. Before building, check these 5 things. 1. Drainage. If water stays on the land after rain, run away. Pigs hate wet floors. Wet floors cause foot rot, skin diseases, bad smell, slow growth. Always choose land that drains water easily. 2. Distance from houses. Pig smell travels. If you build too close to neighbors, complaints will start, quarrels will come. You may be forced to close, even at home. Try to build downwind, far from bedrooms. 3. Accessibility. Ask yourself, can feed trucks reach here? Can buyers reach here? A farm that is difficult to reach will cost you more later. 4. Security. Pigs are money. Before building, ask, can pigs be stolen easily here? Is fencing possible? 5. Expansion space. Even if you start small, always think, what if I want to add more pens later? Never block your future. Section 4. The biggest mistake. Wrong pen size. This mistake alone destroys pig farms. Many people think, the bigger the pen, the better. That is false. Pigs need correct space, not too big, not too small. Too small. Fighting stress. Slow growth, too big. Pigs dirty everywhere. Hard to clean, waste of space. Before building, know these basic ideas. Piglets need less space. Growers need more space. Adult pigs need strong walls and space. If you mix sizes in one pen, small pigs will suffer. Big pigs will dominate before building. Plan for separation. Section 5. Floor. This can make or break your farm. Let me be honest. A beautiful pig pen with a bad floor is useless. Before building, decide, concrete floor, slatted floor, semi-concrete? What you must know before choosing a floor: floor slope. If the floor is flat, waste will sit there. Your floor must slope slightly, so urine flows out, water flows out, Roughness, too smooth equals pigs slip and get injured. Too rough equals foot injuries. Balance is key. Ease of cleaning. Ask yourself, can I wash this floor every day without stress? If cleaning is hard, diseases will come. Section 6. Roof, not just for shade. Many beginners use any roofing sheet, but pigs are sensitive to heat. Before building, understand this. Too hot equals pigs eat less. Less eating equals slow growth. Slow growth equals low profit. Your roof must reduce heat, allow airflow, protect from rain. If your area is very hot, high roof is better. Proper ventilation is a must. Never trap heat inside a pig pen. Section 7. Ventilation. Air is life. This part is ignored too often. Pigs produce heat, ammonia gas. Bad smell without good airflow. Pigs cough. Diseases spread. Workers suffer before building. Plan, open sides, window space for air to move. A pig pen should never smell strongly if ventilation is correct. Section 8. Water. Where will it come from? Before building, ask, where will water come from every day? Pigs drink a lot of water. No water means stress, poor digestion, poor growth before building. Ensure reliable water source. Plan for washing pens. Plan for drinking water. Never say, I will figure water out later. Later can kill your pigs. Section 9. Waste management, the silent problem. Pig waste is powerful. Before building, decide, where will waste go? How will it be removed? If you ignore this, smell will chase you. Neighbors will complain. Flies will take over. Options include drainage channels, compost pits, using waste for crops, but you must plan it before building, not after. Section 10. Feeding system. Simple is better. Many people build beautiful pens, then feed on the floor. That is wasteful. Before building, plan where feeders will be, how pigs will eat, how feed will be protected from water. Good feeding design reduces waste, saves money, helps pigs grow faster. Section 11. Biosecurity. Protect your farm. Before building, think about diseases. Ask yourself, who will enter the farm? Where will visitors stand? Where will sick pigs be kept? Even small farms need a way to isolate sick pigs, a way to control movement. One disease outbreak can finish everything. Section 12. Cost. Don't build what you can't maintain. Some people build big pens and later say, maintenance is too expensive. Before building, count cost of cleaning, count cost of repairs, count cost of expansion. A simple pen that works is better than a complex pen you cannot manage. Section 13. Common regrets from pig farmers. Many farmers say, I wish I built smaller. I wish I planned drainage better. I wish I separated pigs by size. Learn from others. Don't learn the hard way. Before you build a pig pen, remember this. The pen does not make money. The planning makes money. Take time, think, ask questions, plan carefully. A well-planned pig pen saves money, reduces stress, grows healthy pigs, brings steady profit. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe. Watch my other pig pen videos from the links in the description. Don't miss them.